we will discuss about pollution, pollutants and types of pollution. Environmental pollution, the addition of unwanted and harmful materials in the environment that make it unfit for life is called environmental pollution. What are pollutants? The materials that pollute the environment are called pollutants. For example, plastic bottles, plastic bags, etc. Types of pollution. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution or land pollution. First of all, we will discuss about air pollution. Students, you can see smoke coming from factories which pollute our air. Other causes of air pollution are burning of fossil fuels like diesel, kerosene oil and coal. Traffic smoke is another cause of air pollution. Students, when we breathe in this polluted air, it causes different diseases like lungs cancer and breathing difficulties. Smoke coming from factories when mixed with rainwater and make it acidic, and this acid rain is harmful for trees, crops, animals and also pollute the water bodies. Other diseases caused by air pollution are cancer, birth defects, lungs diseases and even cause death. Now we will discuss about water pollution. What is water pollution? Household waste like soap, detergent, shampoos, etc. when mixed up with clean water, it becomes dirty or it becomes polluted. Sewage water is another cause of water pollution. Students, when we use this polluted water, it causes different diseases like diarrhea and cholera. According to WHO, water-related diseases can kill about 135 million people in 2020. Oil spill is another cause of water pollution which damage sea animals. Pesticides and fertilizers which are used in crops when washed away by rain and reach water bodies which pollute the water, and when this water is used, it causes different diseases like diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria, hepatitis, kidney diseases, nerve disorders and skin diseases. Now we will discuss land pollution. Domestic trash thrown at open places is a major cause of land pollution. This waste includes tin cans, plastic bags, rubbish and other solid waste which pollute the land. And this land pollution decreases the fertility of soil. Other effects of land pollution are it hurts the human respiratory system. It causes skin problems. It causes cancer. It also harms or destroys ecosystem. Land pollution causes water pollution and harm nature animals. Students, I hope you understand this lesson. Allah Hafiz.